Ever stared at your bank statement or online banking portal and seen the mysterious letters TD next to some of your accounts or financial products? Maybe you've wondered what it stands for, or perhaps you've just glossed over it. Well, you're not alone. It's a common abbreviation in the financial world, and understanding what it means can actually give you a clearer picture of your money. So, let's dive right in and unravel this financial puzzle. What exactly is the full form of TD in account? The most common and widely accepted full form of TD in the context of accounts is term deposit. Now, what exactly is a term deposit? Think of it as a savings account with a specific lifespan. You deposit a fixed sum of money for a predetermined period, known as the term. This term can range from a few months to several years. In return for keeping your money locked away for that period, the financial institution typically offers a fixed rate of interest. Why would someone choose a term deposit? There are several compelling reasons. Firstly, the fixed interest rate provides predictability. Unlike regular savings accounts where interest rates can fluctuate with market conditions, a term deposit guarantees a specific return on your investment over the agreed-upon term. This makes it easier to plan your finances and know exactly how much interest you'll earn. Secondly, term deposits often offer higher interest rates compared to standard savings accounts. This is because you're committing to keeping your money with the institution for a longer period, allowing them to utilize those funds for their own investments and lending activities. They reward you for this commitment with a more attractive interest rate. However, there's a crucial aspect to understand about term deposits: accessibility. Because your money is locked in for a specific term, withdrawing it before the maturity date usually incurs penalties. These penalties can eat into the interest you've earned, and in some cases, even the principal amount. Therefore, it's essential to be certain that you won't need the deposited funds during the chosen term. While term deposit is the most frequent meaning of TD in account contexts, it's worth noting that abbreviations can sometimes have multiple meanings depending on the specific institution or region. In some less common instances, TD might refer to other financial products or even be part of a specific bank's name. For example, you might encounter TD Bank, where TD simply stands as part of their official title and doesn't necessarily refer to a specific account type in that context. Therefore, while term deposit is the strong frontrunner, if you're ever unsure about the specific meaning of TD on your documents or online banking, the best course of action is always to check the full account name or description provided by your financial institution. You can also reach out to their customer service for clarification. They will be able to provide you with the most accurate and context-specific answer. Understanding the terminology used in your financial dealings is a key step towards better financial literacy. Knowing what TD stands for, especially in the common form of term deposit, empowers you to make more informed decisions about your savings and investments. It allows you to understand the benefits and drawbacks of this type of account and determine if it aligns with your financial goals. So, the next time you see TD on your account statements, you'll know it most likely signifies a term deposit, a fixed-term savings option designed to offer predictable returns. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.